Have you ever tried growing a plant inside a bottle and wondered why it never looks as healthy as the ones you see online? Many people think bottle gardening is easy because it requires less space and looks simple. But the truth is that growing plants in a closed or limited container comes with unique challenges. The biggest problem is that a bottle creates a completely different environment for a plant. The roots have limited space. Water can easily become too much or too little, and airflow is often reduced. Many beginners make the mistake of treating a bottle like a normal garden pot. They add soil, place a plant inside, and expect it to grow perfectly. But plants need the right balance of sunlight, moisture, nutrients, and oxygen to survive. Even a small mistake in one area can slow growth or damage the plant. The good news is that bottle gardening is not impossible. Once you understand what plants actually need inside a bottle, you can avoid common mistakes and create a healthy mini garden. In the next part, we'll uncover the biggest errors people make when growing plants in bottles and how you can prevent them from ruining your plants. The reason many bottle gardens fail is not because people lack effort, but because they make small mistakes that create big problems over time. One of the most common mistakes is choosing the wrong bottle size. A tiny bottle may look attractive, but it gives the roots very little room to spread, which can limit the plant's growth. Larger bottles usually provide a better environment because they allow more soil, better moisture control, and stronger root development. Another major mistake is using regular garden soil without thinking about drainage. Inside a bottle, excess water has nowhere to escape easily. This can make the roots stay wet for too long, causing them to weaken or rot. Adding proper drainage materials like small stones, sand, or suitable soil mixtures can help maintain balance. Many beginners also ignore sunlight requirements. A bottle placed in a dark corner may look beautiful as decoration, but the plant still needs enough light to create energy and grow properly. The final mistake is overcrowding. Putting too many plants in one bottle creates competition for water, nutrients, and space. A successful bottle garden is not about adding more plants. It is about creating the right conditions for each plant to survive. In the next part, we'll explore how to select the perfect bottle, soil, and plant combinations that can turn a simple container into a thriving green space. Creating a successful bottle garden starts with making the right choices before planting anything. The bottle you choose is not just a container, it becomes the entire living space for your plant. A wider and deeper bottle usually works better because it provides more room for roots to grow and allows better control over moisture. Clear plastic or glass bottles are also useful because they let you observe the soil and root condition. The next important factor is soil. Many people simply fill the bottle with normal garden soil, but plants inside containers need a lighter mixture that allows water to move properly and gives roots enough oxygen. A combination of quality soil, organic compost, and drainage materials can create a healthier environment. Choosing the right plant is equally important. Not every plant can survive inside a bottle. Small herbs, decorative plants, and certain low-maintenance varieties usually adapt better because they do not require large root systems. Selecting a plant that matches your bottle size and available sunlight can make a huge difference. When these three elements work together, the right bottle, balanced soil, and suitable plant, your chances of success increase dramatically. In the next part, we'll reveal simple techniques that help bottle plants stay healthy and continue growing for a longer time. Keeping a bottle plant alive for a long time requires more than just planting it and adding water. The secret is maintaining the perfect balance between moisture, light, and care. One important technique is controlling the amount of water you provide. Since bottles often have limited drainage, adding too much water can create problems quickly. It is better to check the soil condition first and water only when needed. Another useful technique is regular trimming. Removing old leaves and unnecessary growth helps the plant focus its energy on healthier parts. It also prevents the bottle from becoming overcrowded and improves airflow around the leaves. Light placement is another key factor. A bottle plant should receive enough indirect sunlight because too much harsh sunlight can overheat the container, while too little light can slow growth. Small adjustments make a big difference in bottle gardening. By observing your plant and making changes when needed, you can keep it fresh and healthy for much longer. In the next part, we'll go through a simple step-by-step method to create your own successful bottle garden from the beginning. Growing a beautiful plant inside a bottle becomes much easier when you follow the right process. First, choose a clean bottle with enough space for the plant's roots. If possible, create small drainage areas or add a layer of stones at the bottom to prevent water from collecting around the roots. Next, add a suitable soil mixture that allows proper airflow and supports healthy growth. Avoid filling the bottle completely at once. Leave enough space for planting and future root expansion. Carefully place the plant inside and gently cover the roots with soil without pressing too tightly. After planting, add a small amount of water and place the bottle in a location with the right amount of sunlight. The goal is to provide enough light without exposing the plant to extreme heat. The most important step is regular observation. Check the leaves, soil moisture, and overall condition of the plant. Every plant gives signals when it needs attention. By following these simple steps and making small adjustments, even beginners can create a beautiful bottle garden. In the next part, we'll discuss the common problems that can damage bottle plants and the easiest ways to fix them. Even with proper care, bottle plants can face problems, but most issues have simple solutions. One common problem is yellowing leaves. This usually happens because of too much water, poor lighting, or a lack of nutrients. Checking the soil moisture and adjusting the plant's environment can often bring it back to health. Another issue is mold or a bad smell inside the bottle. This is usually caused by excess moisture and poor airflow. Reducing watering and improving ventilation can help prevent these problems. Slow growth is another challenge many beginners experience. The reason may be an unsuitable plant choice, limited sunlight, or a lack of nutrients. Moving the bottle to a better location and providing proper care can improve growth over time. Remember, every plant needs attention and adjustment. Successful bottle gardening is about understanding what your plant is telling you. In the next part, we'll explore advanced tips that can help your bottle plants grow stronger and look more impressive. Once you understand the basics of bottle gardening, small advanced techniques can take your plants to the next level. One useful tip is rotating the bottle regularly so every side of the plant receives balanced light. This encourages more even growth and prevents the plant from leaning in one direction. Adding natural compost or suitable nutrients occasionally can also improve plant health, but avoid using too much because a bottle has limited space. Another important technique is maintaining proper spacing. A plant with enough room will develop stronger leaves and roots. You can also improve the appearance of your bottle garden by choosing plants with different textures and growth patterns. A simple design combined with healthy growth can make your bottle look like a small natural ecosystem. In the final part, we'll reveal the key mindset and habits that help anyone create a long-lasting and beautiful bottle garden. The final secret to successful bottle gardening is understanding that plants are living systems, not just decorations. Many people focus only on planting, but long-term success comes from observing, adjusting, and giving the plant exactly what it needs. A healthy bottle garden is created through patience, consistency, and small improvements over time. Remember, every bottle environment is different. Some plants may need more light, while others may require less water. There is no single formula that works for every situation. The best gardeners learn to notice small changes, such as leaf color, soil condition, and growth patterns, and then make the right adjustments. Bottle gardening is not only a way to grow plants in a small space, it is a creative way to bring nature into your home. With the right bottle, proper soil, suitable plants, and regular care, even a simple container can become a beautiful green world. So before you give up on your bottle plants, take another look at the conditions you are providing. Sometimes one small change can completely transform your results. Start experimenting, keep learning, and create your own thriving bottle garden at home.